Guys, we're gonna make some cauliflower steaks on the Ninja Foodi Grill coming up.
This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today? That's right, guys. We're cooking vegetables. Guys, we're gonna do some cauliflower steaks grilled on the Ninja Foodi Grill. We're gonna spend a little bit of time on the stove. We're gonna do a little pepper and onion and butter topping for it, and it's gonna be awesome. All right, so I'm gonna treat these pretty much just like steaks. We're gonna use a little avocado oil them down. We got a little SPG, a little salt, pepper, garlic from Cosmos Q. As easy as can be. All right, so it'll be 10 minutes in the grill, and we're eating steaks. All right, guys, come on back to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station. Let's get started. Come on back. Ninja Foodi Grill on. We're going to do grill high. Okay, it's gonna be at 500 degrees. We're gonna hit start to preheat it. So it's gonna take 6 to 8 minutes to preheat. It's gonna give us, we're gonna do this for 10 minutes. We're gonna do 5 minutes on each side, and it should come out exactly what we're looking for, okay? So first thing we do, I got some peppers chopped up already. Got my already chopped up onions too. So we got about a cup of diced peppers, and we're gonna use about a half a cup of onion in there. So we're gonna take these along with about 4 ounces of butter. We're gonna take these over to the stove. Now we're gonna work on our cauliflower steaks. Okay. So just cutting the edges off. All right, there's steak number one. We're getting these about 1 inch thick. Steak number two. Put that aside. We'll make some fried rice with that. Steak number three. Okay, so we got 3 steaks. We'll clean up this, save these for later, get these set up. All right, guys, so let's get this thing going over here. We're preheated. We're gonna take our avocado oil, just a little spray on, just get it on the outside of these. Okay, we're gonna use a little, that's what I use on my steaks, Cosmos Q, SPG rub. It's salt, pepper, garlic. I mean, it's about as simple as you can get, but it's gonna add tons of flavor to these. And that avocado oil is gonna get it so it sticks on there. You don't have to worry about messing with it. That one over there. That one goes in there. All right, shut it down. 10 minutes, we're gonna go 5 minutes, flip them, and then finish them off. All right, so let's go onto the stove right now. Let's make that pepper and onion medley that we're gonna put over the top of it. All right, come on back. Okay, guys, we're gonna set this up. Pretty high heat. We wanna get this done pretty quickly. We're gonna saute these vegetables, but we're not gonna cook them all the way down, okay? So get this melted down, we'll add the veggies, and just get a quick saute. Okay, butter's melting down pretty good. Peppers in, onions in. And to keep everything consistent, we're gonna add a little SPG in there too. Just get it sauteed up. All right, so we got our little pepper medley here. Looks like it's all done. It's just a quick saute. I want the texture and the crunch of these vegetables, so I didn't want to totally cook them through. A lot of nice flavor on there. It's gonna be dang tasty, especially on these cauliflower steaks. All right, so we're gonna turn off the heat. And we'll get those steaks ready. All right, so we let it go a little bit more than 5 minutes, but that's okay. Let's give these a flip. There we go. All right, still good. We went longer than the 5 minutes, but it's okay. This one's kind of falling apart on us. So we'll just grill that little one on the corner up on its own. It'll be its own little baby steak. All right, we'll finish this up. Come on back. Okay, guys, we're done. Let's get these out. They're looking good. Got a nice little roasted smell to them. So there you go. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. We're having some casualties here, guys. That's okay. We'll work on it. You got this. All right, I'm gonna get these out. Get them set up as best as possible for the picture and thumbnail. And we'll keep going. That don't always work out perfectly. But I'm sure it's gonna be good. All right, let's try these bad boys. All right, so total disclaimer, I do not like cauliflower. All right, but I felt like I wanted to do this on the Foodie Grill for all you guys out there who've been asking for it. So here we go. Let's cut a little piece off. What I think is gonna help this along is obviously that SPG, and then the peppers and onions. Is it bad? I feel like a little kid right now trying to get the littlest bite possible.
Are you really gonna taste it?
I'm gonna taste it.
Good job.
Attaboy. Yay me. All right, so there's your bite. All right, real good. I think that roasting flavor, that grillingness on there. Those peppers, just love it, yeah. This is probably literally the first cauliflower I've eaten in 25 years.
So nobody forced you.
And nobody forced me.
Yeah, that's the big thing.
Nope. So you guys, get your vegetable on, try this. It's really damn good. All right, guys, that's it for this week. If you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grills, links down below. If you want to get some Cooking with CJ merch, links down below. If you're mad enough to wear this dope fedora like I do, links down below. If you want to be a show producer, click that link right there. Just get your little behind the scenes style, little perks here and there. It's really good and it helps out the channel, so consider it, please. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.